everyone! Today we will learn how to make very beautiful and simple roses from ribbon. And for such roses, we will need a ribbon 5 centimeters wide, a lighter, special tweezers, scissors, a glue gun, and a ruler. And first of all, we will cut even pieces. The width of our ribbon, as I already mentioned, 5 centimeters, we need even pieces, 11 centimeters long. So now we are cutting such pieces. We need 8 for one rose. We have 8 pieces of 11 cm ready. Now I will show you what to do with each piece. We turn it to the wrong side. We fold the upper part, not too much here, about ½ centimeter. Then we take the right part, fold it inward at an angle, together with the folded upper part. Don't forget about it, hold it, then fold this sharp corner inward at the same distance, like this. Then we take the pliers, all of this, like this we hold. It will be convenient for us to work with them. We take the scissors, cut off this corner, and we get an angle here. Take the lighter, and all of this thoroughly will singe. It will be fixed. Now let's see how it turned out, and do the same with the other side upwards. We have the second part, wrapped like this, fold downwards. Then the corner, and then with tweezers, cut off the corner, and with a lighter, join all the edges. Thus we simply get the first petal just like this. And we have 8 petals. Now we will start assembling. This is how our petal looks from the back. This will be our front part. We will start with it. Take the first petal and our glue. Apply a little glue to the edge. And gently wrap the bud. Then apply glue to the edge of our leaf to secure and protect our bud. Done! This is how our start looks. Next, take the second one. Apply glue again to the edge of the petal. Take our start and carefully wrap it around it. Secure it again with glue. Our stem length rose and rose. Do this with each leaf. rose as desired. The size of the rose can be increased by adding more petals. Such roses are perfect for topiary and wedding bouquets as they are tall and visually enhance your arrangement. That's all. If you enjoyed this lesson, give it a like, stay with me on the channel, subscribe, and all the best to you. Goodbye everyone.